Molex Quad-Row Board-to-Board Connectors set a new standard in space savings that allows more design freedom in smartphones, smartwatches, wearables, game consoles, AR and VR devices, and other compact designs. The Quad-Row Board-to-Board Connectors feature a staggered circuit layout that is 30% smaller than conventional connectors. Signal contacts are set on a 0.175mm pitch, but the staggered layout results in a 0.35mm soldering pitch, supported by standard SMT processes. The connectors are offered with 32 or 36 signal contacts. The ends of the connectors feature armored and insert molded nail power contacts that can carry up to 3 amps, providing high power delivery and protection during mating. Molex Quad-Row Board-to-Board Connectors have a low profile to complement the small footprint, with a mated height of just 0.6 millimeters.